I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, that's Lulu the Hog Island boa. She's not a bull snake. There are no bull snakes on my screen. But as you watch this video, you'll come to realise that the bull snake is in your head and also in these photographs. Are bull snakes called bull snakes because A, they look like bulls, B, they sound like bulls, or C, they eat a rat that's this big and they tell you it was this big. They tell you they're het for the xanthic gene, but they're not. They're just full of bulloney. All cats are mammals, but not all mammals are cats. All tigers are cats, but not all cats are tigers. What's the situation with bull snakes and gopher snakes? If you have a pet bull snake, should you keep the vivarium at A, too low a temperature, B, too high a temperature, or C, exactly the right temperature? Oh, hang on just a second. Yeah. Right. All right. Yeah, all right. Your mother's an incompetent reptile keeper with cocoa husk for brains. I'm so sorry about that. I'll ask that question again. It's very important to keep your bull snake's vivarium at the correct temperature. Is that temperature A, around 64 degrees Fahrenheit at the cool end, 72 at the warm end with a hot spot of 76, B, around 84 degrees Fahrenheit at the cool end, 92 at the warm end with a hot spot of 96, or C, around 74 degrees Fahrenheit at the cool end, 82 at the warm end with a hot spot of 86. If I looked into a burrow where bull snakes were brumating, who else might I find in there? Which other snakes, I mean? Bull snakes are not known for their ability to control their temper. They do, however, have remarkable control over something. What is it? I've got the answers. Question number 1, bull snakes are called bull snakes because when they feel threatened they produce a loud hiss, which supposedly sounds a bit bull-like. Question number 2, of bull snakes and gopher snakes constitute the larger category, so all bull snakes are gopher snakes, but not all gopher snakes are bull snakes. Question number 3, the temperature at the cool end of your bull snake's vivarium should be around 74 degrees Fahrenheit. It should be around 82 degrees Fahrenheit at the warm end, and there should be a hot spot of around 86 degrees Fahrenheit. You also need to give your bull snake a night drop, but do some research because I saw different figures for that. Question number 4, if you look in an abandoned mammal burrow and you find bull snakes brumating in there, you might also find milk snakes, you might find rattlesnakes, you might find racers, and you might find garter snakes. And question number 5, bull snakes can control the flow of blood to different parts of their body. So for example, if it's a bit cool, they might send a bit more to the head, and if it's too hot, they might send a little less. That's it for this one. If you'd like to watch a video about milk snakes, there's one up here, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks everybody.